Session number 7 for Year 7 revision, and it is the light unit. These are then the instructions for this revision. Number 1 is watch the session's instructions video. That is this video that you're watching at the moment. Number 2 is watch the knowledge test video that has just the questions. Right, so what that is, it's a video, it's got lots of blank questions. Pause at each time a question comes up and write your answer onto a piece of paper. Number 3, watch the knowledge test video with the answers and mark your work, then repeat any questions you got wrong. Right, so where you've written down your answers on your piece of paper before, watch the video and then mark what you've done. And if you've got anything wrong, repeat it, because if you don't know the facts, you're not going to do as well as you should. Number 4, watch the walkthrough reverse the classroom video. That has then got lots of diagrams, lots of information on it to help you with the questions at the end. And question number 5 is write the questions. So on this next part of the video, right, what there are is a number of questions. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Write out the questions from the next part of the video into your revision book. The answers must include the key words and be in a logical sequence. 4 questions in this one. First one, what I want you to do into your exercise book is draw and label a transverse wave. And on it, I want wavelength, amplitude, peak and trough. And you can label other things on there as well if you want, because there are a number of other things that can be done. Describe refraction, right? So you can draw a little diagram if you want. Okay, so the little diagram with like a rectangle with beams going into it and beam coming out of it. But in your description, I want you to talk about incident, dense, less dense, normal and emergent. Question number 4, describe the journey light takes through the eye and the role of each part of the eye plays in seeing an image. Right, so you've got an eye, you've got the lens, you've got all those different parts in it. I want you to describe the journey light takes through it and how each part of the eye affects kind of the way that we see things. And the words that I want you to use are cornea, lens, pupil, ciliary muscle, suspensory ligament, retina and the optic nerve. Final question is, how do we see a white, black and red object? And in it, I want you to have Roy G. Biv, reflect and absorb. So Richard of York gave battle in vain, Richard of York gave battle in vain, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and then all the colours of the rainbow. Right, so that is then the end of the light revision unit. Okay, now if there's anything in there that you don't understand, go back to the videos and go back and keep on testing yourself, because the more you test yourself, the better you're going to do.